हेलो 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 अभी
That
ठीक है।
patient, sir, that patient. This one. देखो हेलो हेलो हेलो
एक मिनट ये कर दो।
हेलो हेलो एक सेकंड मैम हेलो
अच्छा
हेलो हेलो ठीक
ठीक
है
अभी ठीक है।
चलने दो चलने दो Friends, good afternoon. Today we are at the Global Library Summit. So we have Professor Konur. उनका tagline है Connect, Collaborate and Contribute. So LIS Academy is based out of Bangalore and Professor Konur has now they are partnered with the South Asian University and this event is going to take place in Delhi at the South Asian University campus. So welcome sir and आपसे जुड़ रहे हैं और सर ने सीतारमन जी ने बोला हिंदी में तो अपन लोग हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करेंगे सर आपका जो हम लोग ने समझा है यू बीन पैशनेट अबाउट लाइब्रेरी सो इफ यू कैन एलैबोरेट लाइब्रेरी साइंस एंड देन सर अबाउट द इवेंट
Sir, I am in the profession of librarianship for about 40 years. Right from my 20 years of age, I am serving different libraries. I have served minimum 8 universities as a professor, associate professor and all. And I have been promoting library activities and I was a university librarian of Goa University, Karnataka University, Bangalore University and Rani Chennamma University. So that I have got a great passion for working for libraries and making libraries being more and more used. These days libraries are not being more used by the users, so that my main motto is to promote library usage.
So when normally, like suppose in Delhi we have the college libraries, so they are free access. You have to be a student of the university, the college, and you get a free access. Then we have the American Library. Earlier they were not charging, now they are charging some money. Then there's the British Council Library. Because this library में उनका नाम इसलिए ले लो because they were advanced in technology sir. तो अभी जो आपका लग रहा है कि जो अभी सारा अभी डेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है, you think कि हम लोग का जो library जैसे ये अम्बेडकर जिधर हम लोग खड़े हैं, so they also have a library. They don't charge anything. Anybody can come during the working hours, you know, and they can listen. तो आपको लग रहा है कि globalization में inter exchange of libraries होना चाहिए?
Definitely. In fact, collaborative effort among libraries is the most needed aspect of our country as well as outside India. Our main motto of this particular summit is to make entire globe libraries to come together and collaborate together and make the entire library as one of the media for making the diplomacy. The libraries should help in countries to build up a better diplomacy among themselves.
Right.
So internationally, we wanted to promote the libraries to be more and more diplomatic and supporting to the diplomacy of the every countries and make the entire globe as a peaceful globe or a world like that.
Right. And so lastly हम लोग को we want to ask you कि जो लोग को उधर आना है समिट में, तो what is the way registration online अभी वेबसाइट लॉन्च हो गया
लॉन्च हो गया है वेबसाइट में सब कुछ दिया गया है एंड वी आर मोर कंसंट्रेटिंग ऑन द एंटायर कंट्री प्रोफेशनल्स एज वेल एज आउटसाइड इंडिया एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द neighboring countries have already extended their support like Sri Lankan libraries, Sri Lankan Library Association, Bangladesh Library Association. They have already extended their support and collaboration to come together, and similarly we are seeking the support from other European countries as well as America and South American countries. We will be definitely in next month to come, we will be definitely reaching to the entire globe at large and see that most of the participants come from every part of the world.
Thank you very much, Professor Kanur, and we would just advise that people can search for LIS Academy and this SEU,
Yes.
and then open the website, the link that will take you to this global festival which is happening.
The Global Library Summit website is gls25.org. gls25.org is the
Website for
the
that.
Global Library Summit website.
So please register and try to be there at the event. Thank you so much. This is Sanjay Agarwal. Have your number.